My name is Donald Overton, Executive Director of Veterans of Modern Warfare, and I'm now from Silver Spring, Maryland.
All right. Well, welcome to the DC area. It's great to have you here.
Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it.
So Don, we wanted to talk today. So today is the second annual Time Out for Veterans Health event. Can you tell us a little bit about kind of why we're here and the importance of the event today?
Well, I think the importance of the event is the opportunity for veterans to come out and have these diagnostic screenings. As we all know, military service can to some extent be hazardous to your health, and affording veterans an opportunity to have such a comprehensive workup of tests and exams, be able to take the results of these exams back to their primary care doctors and maybe throw up a red flag about a condition that they might not be aware of. So pre-screening measures, phenomenal opportunity for veterans.
Can you talk a little bit about, from your organization's perspective, the Veterans for Modern Warfare, what's been the feedback from your membership? And as you're out there, talking about this event, talking about prevention and early detection, what are some of the things that people are telling you amongst your membership?
Well, amongst the membership, there's a lot of concern for those that have deployed over to Southeast Asia. There's a lot of concern about exposures, whether it be the open burn pits or other toxic exposures in the battlefield itself. So we see a lot of strange conditions and results, and so to be able to come out here and have all these diagnostics done comprehensively in one setting on a single day can really help yield some positive results for the detection of some of the conditions that they might be experiencing that they're just not aware of, or not being able to gain access to a system to find this for them.
And can we talk a little bit about the importance of the partnership? We've got 13 veteran service organizations here today, partnering with the Washington Redskins, GlaxoSmithKline, and the other health partners. Can you talk about the value of that partnership to better serve veterans in the community?
And I think when you look at it originally from the veteran service organization perspective, we see the power that when we unite behind a single cause. We just saw that with the historic advanced funding measure that was just signed into law by the president. So I think when you unite and harness the energy of all veterans coming together, working towards one common goal, and the common goal here, of course, being the health screening and checking this. Men's Health Network is a phenomenal organization that's worked and done so much outreach and made sure that they get advertising out for veterans, that we make sure that they're being taken care of. GlaxoSmithKline, what can we say about GSK other than they're a phenomenal corporation that does outreach on behalf of veterans. They have a big heart as far as veterans are concerned, and we're so appreciative for that. And then, of course, the recognition of having a group like the Washington Redskins to sponsor such event. So we really hope to see this, replicated nationally, with the opportunity for others to partner and have these events held across the country for all veterans to be able to access these services.
Great. Well, last question then for you today. Can we talk just a little bit about that importance of prevention, early detection of diseases, chronic disease and others? Can you tell me a little about how important that is for the veteran community?
Well, it's extremely important for the overall health, but not only the overall health, but I think when we look at what the cost factor is within the healthcare sector, I think preventative medicine and being able to get services in place and maybe detect these before we get into a disease stage is just paramount in anyone's health, as well as, on a financial aspect. So I think the ability to offset some of the costs for long-term care can really go a significant way on behalf of the Department of Veterans Affairs and the Department of Defense. So just a great opportunity all around, and we're so appreciative to have such an opportunity to come out and serve veterans in this capacity.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your partnership.